It's recording. Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Oh, that felt weird. Hello! Hi! Welcome back to my channel. Okay, so I'm finally doing this video, which is how I do my covers and how I record them, how I edit them, all the secrets, all the tea. Except, nothing I do is really that great. So, hopefully you can understand. I'm gonna go fully in depth in this. I'm gonna try and show you exactly how I edit it. So if it gets boring, I'm very sorry. Also, I'd like to apologize for just everything that's going on here today because, oh, I was about to say it's a Monday, but it's a Tuesday, so love that. I'm just living my life. If I'm recording something on a day, I normally sometimes I don't even do my skincare or wash my face, which is not good. I am just going to completely discuss what I do, basically. That's kind of the gist of this video. The thing is though, I want to quickly preface, I think a lot of the stuff I have, such as plugins, are quite pricey if you add it all up together, which I mean you do not need to spend a lot of money to get started and to have nice or good sounding covers. You do not need thousands of pounds worth of equipment to just make it sound good. Yep, let's get into it. So let's start off with the physical things. So this is my small ass setup. Ta-da! Oh, that's my bad side of my face. Yes, it was. Now we're on the good side. Anyway, let's get into the actual equipment. First thing to mention, I use a Hercules mic stand. It does what it does, it's a mic stand. Then here is my microphone. It's a large diaphragm microphone, which is the SE4400A condenser mic. And on my mic stand, I have the SE reflection filter. This stops sound from bouncing back from the wall into my microphone, preventing noise from the background. So this is the interface I use, which is the UAD Arrow. Basically, it connects my mic to my computer, and it allows this thing called phantom power. So basically, my mic requires 48 volts to actually work, and so that's what it gives it, basically. And also, I can control volume and other stuff on it. And then I have a MacBook Pro. Yeah, and also I use Logic Pro X as my DAW. Okay, so those are the physical things. Now let's actually get on to how I record my covers. Oh my god, you're so quirky. So first off, I go onto YouTube to find the song, and yes, I am doing a song I've done before, but I want to do it again. So what's the problem?
Still me.
So then I search for the song, and if you're wondering why I paused after the go, it's because I forgot the name of the artist. Yeah, then basically after that I find an audio version of the song that I can download and use as a guide when I'm recording the actual song myself. High chance there's going to be copyright on this section, so love that. Next, I go on one of those dodgy MP3 websites and insert the link, and I'm pretty sure it gave me a virus, but what can we do? Then I download and put it on my desktop. Love that sound. Not joking, I actually do love that sound. And thank God we have an official instrumental. Thank you so much. I love you, Stan. Stan. So then I download the instrumental and open a Logic project. As you can tell, I've already started on this one, so everything is kind of put in, such as the instrumentals. But anyway, the first thing I end up doing is I put in the original version with the guide vocal, which is just the normal version, in first. Then after placing the guide vocal in, I end up getting a BPM counter, and it does exactly what it sounds like. It measures the BPM so I know what to set my metronome at so I stay in time. I then place the metronome on and I go through different points in the track just to make sure that it is correct and it is in time. After that, I put on one of my favourite plugins ever, which is Sound Shifter Pitch, on the track, and that allows me to lower the key of the song so I can actually sing it, and it's the best one out there. I then find the highest note in the song and then lower it until I can comfortably sing it. So as you can tell that I lowered it -6 semitones so I can comfortably sing that note. I then use the same Sound Shifter Pitch plugin on the instrumental, and this is what it basically sounds like lowered. As you can tell, when you lower the key, the high-end parts of the song end up being a bit drowned out. So in order to tackle this, I end up using Sound Shifter Pitch on another track, copy over the instrumental, and I heighten the sound shifter pitch to the same key but higher, obviously, and then that brings back in the higher end of the song, and it actually makes it sound more like the original official instrumental, but still the key is a lot lower, so that's really helpful for me. I don't know the actual musical theory behind this, I literally just ear it, so I go up and then until it sounds right, and that's when I leave it. And then here is what the mixed version sounds like. If you use this same technique, make sure the higher end version is a lot quieter compared to the lowered instrumental, because otherwise it'll overshadow it and it'll sound a bit tinny. So yeah, that's basically how I do my instrumentals and how I get them. And now I'm just gonna go record the song. So fun. Yeah, why is this part so long? Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna go record it now. Oh my god, okay, yeah, so here, I'm sorry, I forgot to say that I also, before I record, I warm up my voice, because if you sing, you need to warm up, I'm telling you. Oh, why is my hair doing this? You need to prevent damage from happening, you need to make sure you're relaxed. I think my favourite thing to do is also have, like, a cup of tea. English breakfast tea. You know. Love that for me. Having, like, a warm drink or something before actually kind of helps you relax. You know, some days, if you're recording and you can't sing and it's just going bad, just skip that day. Just do it the next day, because I've had loads of days where I, like, start singing and I was like, oh, God, this sounds... Just relax. Just rest for a bit and then come back to it and I'm sure it'll be fine. As you saw earlier that I make the songs lower, so I make them a couple semitones lower. And that's for a reason. Don't want to damage my voice. If I'm doing head voice, falsetto the whole time in a song, that's gonna end up hurting after a while, so definitely don't do that. If a song is too low for you, try and make the key higher. If a song is too high for you, make the key lower. Oh, got my notes here. Oh. Yes. Also, I try and avoid singing ill. I honestly should practice what I preach there, but I don't because I need to get stuff out. Everything I use is plugins from Waves, and Waves is a third-party company that do plugins, and their plugins are quite expensive. If you were gonna buy any of these, make sure that your computer is compatible with it, and make sure that the DAW, the DAW? I don't know. Like Logic or GarageBand or Pro Tools works with that particular plugin, because if it doesn't, I don't think you can get a refund, and that will be very tragic. Yeah. You can use similar plugins that are built in from definitely the ones in Logic you can use that work. Honestly, I wouldn't say they were as high quality. They aren't as good. I'm not gonna like sugarcoat it and be like, well, they can sound just as good. They don't sound as good as the third-party plugins that you have to pay for, but they can do the job well. Okay, hello, sorry, I forgot to mention, here I'm going to show you my raw vocals, because I'm gonna put in clips of what the different effects do and how it makes the voice sound, so enjoy. 물급처럼 파랗던 하늘은 벌써 감았고 감정을 느껴져. Yeah, I gotta tell you this. 우리들만 느껴지는 이상한 느낌. 나도 너무 좋아, but it's too late. So first thing I use is a vocal rider. What's a vocal rider, you ask? I'm here to tell you. So basically, a vocal rider is something that smooths out the vocals in the sense that it kind of seems like a pre-compression, I'd say. It stops the vocals from peaking, stops them from going too high by pushing those high vocals down, and stops the vocals that are too low from being so quiet you can't hear them. Pushes the quieter vocals up and pushes the louder vocals down, so they're about a similar level. So it smooths out the volume. You can skip the pre-compression, which is the vocal rider, because I don't think you need it completely, but I just like it because I think it really smooths out the vocals. 우리들만 느껴지는 이상한 느낌. I then use a pre-EQ. I'm going to put down the description some videos that I'd recommend on how to do these things, such as pre-EQing. A voice emits frequencies. On a scale of an equalizer, there is obviously the top frequencies and then the low bottom frequencies. And what you do is you can push up some frequencies and push some frequencies lower. So maybe on the bottom end, you don't want to hear a lot of lower frequencies that could be kind of like roomy sounds, so you cut that off. I use a pre-EQ, which is really pinpointing really specific things. So I use Q10 and I make it really small, and I take out the frequencies that I don't want to sound my voice, because a couple of frequencies, depending on your mic, if you pull those down, or you kind of not get rid of them but pull them down a bit before you EQ, it really smooths out the vocals, gets rid of a lot of harshness. Sorry, this is really boring, but I'm gonna carry on. Then I use an actual EQ. I am bringing down the lower end, I'm heightening the higher end, making it sound a lot more brighter and making the vocals end up overall having more presence on the track instead of it being washed out, because dry vocals can sound really washed out. It doesn't mix well. So that's why you need to add these things. 우리들만 느껴지는 이상한 느낌 나도 너무 좋아 but it's too late. Then I double compress. Longer release and a quick attack. So this makes sure that the vocals really don't go over or don't go under. They kind of bounce and stay in one particular area. Make sure vocals obviously sound a lot smoother. Another compressor. This one is a lot easier to use. It's a CLA 2A compressor. So all it has on here is gain and peak reduction. Adjust the gain, which is higher. Gain means louder. Gain lower means obviously quieter. Peak reduction, you can heighten the peak reduction. It stops the peaks. A really loud vocal, it pushes it down. And then if you have it at the highest part, peak reduction, it really compresses that. I'd say also don't go too overboard on compressors, and I think I do sometimes, because it can make your vocals sound flat. It means flat in the sense that you just don't get any emotion, you don't really get much out of it because it's so compressed. I gotta tell you this, 우리들만 느껴지는 이상한 느낌. Then I use channel EQ. Channel EQ, actually, here we go. This is by Logic, and you can just look at it while you're singing, and you can see the waveforms, and you can cut off parts that you don't want there, and then you can also heighten parts that you want for presence. The maybe 7K to 20K, I want to heighten that a bit, so it gets obviously the vocals a lot brighter. And when it goes from the 20 to 100 hertz kind of section, I kind of cut it off slightly so you don't get that roomy sound, less breathy sound, and then you can ensure that your vocals can sound a lot brighter. Mid-range, I kind of leave it sometimes. It just depends. If you look at the waves, you can see it on the EQ. Whichever part is really peaking, you want to maybe push that down a bit. 물금처럼 팔았던 하늘은 벌써 감았고 감정을 뒤집어져, yeah. I then use a delay. Okay, so with my delay, basically I kind of tweak it to whatever it sounds good with in the track. Basically, I normally stick to 1/4 and 1/8. I think those are the ones that sound the best. To get it right, you should really push it to what it says on here, wet, which means you can kind of only hear the delay, and then you adjust it and pull it down. I would honestly recommend playing around with delay and figuring it out yourselves, but I'd say always don't overdo the delay and reverb, because it really, I don't know, it just sounds quite karaoke-like, and it can drown your vocals. I used to really overdo the delay and reverb. So on here it's out of 100, and I currently have it on my things on 7. So 0 to 100. 100 means full delay, and 7 obviously means like hardly anything, so that's what I use. CLA effect. This is kind of an all-rounded thing. I would recommend, if your DAW can accept this, I'd recommend getting something like CLA vocals and CLA effect. I think they're about £30 each. But this is something that I love using in the sense that it's very easy. So it has an EQ thing on there. You set it to top, filter or telephone. I use filter or telephone a lot in my covers to get that, I don't know, filtered effect, telephony effect on backing vocals or something. It sounds really good. CLA effect is something I've been using for 2 years now. It's my favorite thing. I use the reverb on there. There's Room, Hall and Canyon, and those reverbs honestly sound so good. I really would recommend using this. The pitch section, for you will come for me, isn't actually pitch correction. It just gives a chorus effect, if you know what that is. If you don't, search it up. I gotta tell you this, 우리들만 느껴지는 이상한 느낌 나도 너무 좋아 but it's too late. For backing vocals or doubles, I do something very different. So what I do is I create 2 different tracks, maybe called double R and double L, signifying right and left ear. And what I end up doing is I pan one of those tracks further towards the right and the other one further towards the left. And having this in conjunction with my main vocals at a lower sound level, it allows the vocals to sound wider, it allows them to like take up more space on the track and make them sound more full. This is honestly my favorite thing that I learned to do. On these double and harmony tracks, what I end up doing is I get rid of the delay and the reverb and replace it with a de-esser. So basically what a de-esser does is it stops the sibilant sounds, so the you know, those disgusting like Essie sounds from coming through, and basically your ear can only really take one of it before it starts to sound really horrible. So basically you want to get rid of those sounds if they are not in your main vocal. I put the doubles at a very low volume level compared to the main vocals because you don't want them to overshadow them. You kind of only want them to be used as a way to make your vocals sound more full and wider instead of actually having 3 vocals on a track. Now obviously I haven't finished my Gotta Go cover, so this is what a cover that I finished with in all of the different vocals kinda looks like. This is normally how many vocals I do. It's quite a lot looking at it though. Oh my god, it is a lot. This is my Obsession cover, so I think there was a lot of vocals that went into that, so please appreciate it, I guess. I like to be organized where my vocals go, so I create many different vocal tracks, as well as a lot of those vocal tracks are needed there because they have completely different effects on them. So yeah, that's how I do my covers. Okay, so this is automation. Now automation allows me to pinpoint manually of what things I want to be quieter and what things I want to be louder. So basically it allows me to really mix in vocals and to really change the volume of different vocals. So this allows me to save space because I can put a lot of harmonies on one track and then I can make them quieter at some point, and it just honestly allows it to sound a lot more professional and a lot better, smoother in the whole track. Another thing I love automation for is panning. So panning, as I said earlier, is basically from going from one ear to another ear. So in headphones, you know, you hear something in your right ear, then something in your left ear. You can do this on automation. So if you want some vocals to kind of go from right ear to left ear to right ear to left ear and kind of go in a wave formation, you can actually do that through automation, and that's what I've been doing with a lot of my kind of ending backing vocals. I think it creates a really cool effect. This is how to do it on Logic. It's actually a lot more in-depth than what I just said. There's a lot more things you can do with it, so I would advise watching a tutorial on how to do it, definitely for the DAW that you're working with. My cover will be up Saturday. I hope you enjoy it. I know it is a cover that I've done already. It was my favorite old cover, like my favorite, so I'm trying to do it again, but better maybe, hopefully. So I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you learned something. I feel like I didn't go in depth enough, but I am definitely going to put some of my favorite videos down in the description of different things, and I'm going to put down all of the products that I use in the description, the physical ones. If you want to get any of these plugins from Waves, you can go on the Waves website. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye. Also, oh my god, sorry, I forgot to say, if you have any in-depth questions, please leave it in the comments. If you're confused about something, leave it in the comments, because then I will fully answer you and I'll go in depth into it. I'll talk to you about it. There's only so much I can say in this video without it being extremely boring to watch. I'll see you obviously on Saturday when my cover comes out. Thank you for watching. Bye.